Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how you can make a matching quiz in Canvas. So let's get started by clicking the plus button up here in the top right. Let's make a quiz, new quiz. We're going to make this quiz on body parts in Espanol, of course. Add item. All right, it's body parts. Body parts, body parts, body parts. Let's click edit. Okay, you can of course type in some quiz instructions here. And let's go over here to questions. You're just going to make, let's say you want a quiz with 10 questions on it. You just need to make one question. It's kind of like a big group, basically. So call it body parts, and it's multiple choice, which I don't want. We want to go to matching. Okay, you could put your directions here if you wanted to. Okay, down here we're going to put in the different body parts. We'll go Spanish to English, I guess. Doesn't matter. Shoulder, hip.
Foot. Mano, hand. Let's just do a handful of words here. La cabeza. Head. La nariz is nose.
All right, so we got 5 questions. Since I have 5 questions, I'd like to make it 1 point each. So I'll come up here and make that with 5 points. I'm going to click update question. Oh, if you want to in here, if you want to put a couple extra words in there that are wrong, like maybe they're learning that the words for maybe leg and something else too. Just put it on its own new line, hand, finger or something like that. Okay, let's update question. We're gonna let's go back to details really quick. See if there's anything I want to change in the details. You can of course put time limits on and let students have multiple attempts if you want to. Let's just click save. And let's preview this. Let's take this quiz and see how it works. Okay, these are the instructions you would have put in there earlier, but I did not do that. So el hombro is shoulder. Let's get one wrong. El pie is foot. We'll get the last one wrong. La mano is hand. Where is it? There it is. You'll notice that all those extra words are in here that I made. I think I just did 2 extra words. Head for cabeza, and then nariz is nose. Let's pick finger. So I should get a 4 out of 5. Let's take a look. All right, 4 out of 5. And it tells me which one I got wrong. Correct answer is nose. Obviously, you can change that in the settings, whether or not the students can see the correct answers and things like that. But that's how you do a matching quiz on Canvas. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Hasta luego.